What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. Hope you and your families are doing well during the COVID-19 outbreak that we're still experiencing. Today I'm going to take my 2010 Camaro SS and I'm going to be installing these Govee RGB car LED strip lights that was gifted to me from my girlfriend for my 3rd year anniversary with her. Happy anniversary, babe. Anyways, I'm going to be installing these today, showing you guys how they are mounted onto the car. You can actually either put them on the outside or in the inside. I'm actually going to put it in the inside, like where the feet wells are. And I have a link in the description below so you guys can check out the product. And if you guys found this video cool and you like the results, you guys have the link there so you can go ahead and purchase it. But anyways, let's go unbox it and see the stuff inside. I'm gonna start taking everything out here. So obviously here are the instruction pamphlets. Here's the actual light strip. Looks like it has like M tape or something like that. This is the plug that's going to be going into the cigarette lighter. Here's the control that you want to probably have like easy access to. So once I go ahead and finish installing the lights, we'll figure out where we're going to put that. Okay guys, so before we start the actual installation, notice here how there's like a little diagram as to how the cable management and where the lights should pretty much go. I've kind of like taken the time to like lay it out in person. I have an extra too because again, this is a coupe. I picked literally the worst time to be doing this. It is so hot outside. We'll put the lights in the back here for now just to get that out of the way. Just a little disclaimer, my car has not been washed in quite some time, so I do apologize for that presentation. I'm just gonna put both of the lights over here. And that'll be fine. Honestly, I just don't want to put anything back there because I don't want to give incentives for people to sit back there. Weight reduction, people. So what I started doing was attach the first light strip. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the second light strip on that side to just, again, have a point of reference. And of course, we'll then start to have better cable management. And one of the cool things about this is that it does come with a lot of like light options too. So it could actually match your car. I'm going to be obviously running a blue light. Just imagine like this blue color and then the blue at night, the strip in the footwell. It's just going to look so cool. I can already visualize it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. And one of the important things when you're doing the driver's side is that you don't obstruct like the trunk release, or in some cases I know that some cars have the lever for the gas to open on some cars, so just be mindful of that. Right here should be fine. I mean, unless you're like freaking Goliath or something and your fingers are just so massive, you know, this should be fine. I've went ahead and attached it to this sector here. Again, it's held very nicely, doesn't block the ECU outlet, and then it also doesn't block the trunk lever. Okay guys, so I have the zip ties here. We're gonna go ahead and start zip tying the cables so it looks nice and neat and organized. But before we do that, if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and tap this little like button right here. That should take you to the subscribe page if you're not already. And of course guys, don't forget to follow my Instagram. All right, that's enough of that. Let's get back to work. You do see that there's a little bit of drooping going on here. It doesn't still obstruct the ECU, which is what exactly I need. Again, it doesn't bother the trunk lever. It doesn't come out or poke out there. And look, it's kind of like tucked very nicely there. It does not obstruct any of the travel from the brakes or from the accelerator or the clutch. So we're good to go for the second part. All right, so for the passenger side, we're gonna probably need a little bit more zip ties because there's a lot more cable room here. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and mount the last light strip here. So I'm gonna put the controls like right here, like just stick it on. That way the passenger can also adjust the lights if I need them to do it, and also I can adjust it as well. And it kind of like flows with the rest of the cables. All right guys, so I actually went ahead and finished the installation. I went ahead and installed the remote control over here. That's pretty accessible to me and to my passenger. As you guys can see, I mean, it's broad daylight, but the lights look so cool even during the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks at night. Okay guys, so this is my girlfriend. She's the one that bought me the lights. We're gonna go ahead and show you how the lights look at night, but I want you to be here so you could see your gift in action. With this button here, you're gonna turn it on, but I'll tell you when.
Okay.
All right, hit the red button.
That is so cool.
Yeah, as you guys can see, it came out extremely nice. Like,
it adds such like a nice effect to the car.
It adds like flavor.
Yeah.
You see, if I would have put it back here, I don't think it would have been that cool. I like it how it just sticks to the front of the car, like really just for the passenger and driver focused. That's really what I wanted. But as you guys can see, they're really good quality lights. So you can actually adjust the settings here. So the middle button is for like changing the actual colors, you know, red, you have like this like yellowish color, and green, blue. And then of course you can also change like the settings and the frequencies. You know, this is kind of like if you're on the way to like downtown, gonna get lit. My girlfriend just stepped out, but I'm gonna tell you guys another cool feature. You can also control these lights on your mobile device, whether it's Android or Apple. You just have to go ahead and down their app, which is the Govee Home, and then afterwards you would just scroll down to this device here. This is the 4x22. I actually went ahead and skipped a step right now, but when you are searching for the device, it'll instantly pop up and then you just click on it and it'll take you to the connect device. So right now it is connected, and let's go ahead and just try it out here. There you go. You can control the lights. Here I'm going to put red, now purple. And as you can see, it's pretty cool. You can actually adjust like the brightness as well. Very important when you're driving at night to not have it too bright, because you don't want it to like reflect off the windows or anything like that. And another really fascinating tool is the music. I'm not going to try it here because then, you know, I'll get demonetized. But I do know that I've tried it earlier and it does kind of like sync with it. It's not completely accurate, but it does sync pretty well. Aside from the color manipulation, you can also like change it. So let's say like you're going on a date or something, you can actually like put it in a dating mode and it'll kind of give you like warmer colors and, you know, put you in that mood. But for now, I think I'll just leave it on like the subtle blue, like just relax there. And yeah guys, so let's get some driving clips, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.